Welcome back to another very exciting episode of Modded Motors. As you can tell from the thumbnail, we are doing a headliner today. If you guys didn't know, for the 2.0s, the base models, they came with a gray headliner. We're switching out all the parts today to make it a black headliner. There's a few different reasons why you could be watching this video. If you're a QV owner, you may be dropping your headliner to do the starry headliner. We had the option to do so, but I ultimately decided not to go with the starry headliner. I feel like it is a trend that's just kind of going on right now. And eventually it would probably look tacky in the car. So I'm not saying it does look tacky now. I actually think they look pretty decent, but ultimately I decided not to run the starry headliner. Second reason you may be watching this, you may be a sunroof owner. If you're a sunroof owner, your sunroof might have failed and you need to drop your headliner to manually close it. You can use this video for that. Or third reason, you may be a regular 2.0 owner like myself and you're looking to drop your headliner to reupholster it. So yeah, you can use the video for any of those three reasons. Hopefully it's easy to understand. There's a few little tricks to getting the headliner out and I'm gonna show you them as best as I possibly can. First thing you wanna do is take this off. Again, I'm sure there's a better way so you don't scratch it, but I just have a flathead that I am using to pry it out.
Oh.
There you go.
All right.
There is obviously a few clips. Beep, 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 beep. I kind of cheated. I already have one of these out, so I kind of already knew where they're at, but there's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. For this one, you're just popping this open. There's a bolt right there. This one, I'll do it with my hand to be honest. There's a bolt right there. You're gonna pull those down. You can pull these down now. The mics. You can do the proper thing and use pry tools. I know I'm gonna get some people that are like, use the pry tools. It's not that serious. Alright, there you go. So like once you're inside, there's a clip that you're pushing down on. You're just pulling down.
Oh, I see.
See it?
Yeah.
So it kind of snaps in.
Mm-hmm.
So once you're in, you're just pulling. And then these are gonna open up kind of like this. It's like a retaining clip. So it kind of pulls out. I don't know if you can see it. So it's pry up and from the top and it's straight out. Same thing with this one. Now these are kind of hard to get to. You need to pry on the top, right? And so what I'm doing is I'm pulling, like pushing pressure this way, and you can hear it clip, and then there's a bottom one. It's kind of hard to see. I'm gonna pull one out and then show you guys kind of how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see inside of it. You're putting it in and there's a clip up top. You guys can see it. There's a clip down below. When you pull pressure and it releases the top, you're basically holding it in place, and then when you drop the bottom, it kind of like yeets out, if that makes sense. They're not hard, they're just annoying to do. And that's it. So all your key points are out. You should already turn off your battery or just unplug your battery, but I want to kind of show you guys how it kind of looks first. I'm gonna go unplug my battery now and then actually start pulling things off.
Yeah, looks kind of crazy actually.
Right?
Everything dangling.
I just figured this out pretty recently.
Yesterday.
How to take out this whole entire thing. There's literally no good videos on this. I've been wanting to do my headliner, but it just seems like such a task that I really haven't just wanted to sign up for.
It's definitely a task.
It looks easy, but it's not. So you know, I did some research, figured out how to pull it, and today we're doing it. Like I said, I was gonna do the starry headliner, and I already have the kit. It plugs into a 12 volt. I think it's not too bad, but I think it'll look cool for a little bit. I plan on keeping this car for life, and I think it'll get played out over time. That's why I didn't keep it.
Yeah.
Remember, if your car smells musty, we have Modded Motors.
Wow.
air fresheners. We have a 4-pack, or you can get one by itself. Anytime you shop at Modded Wear, it truly helps us out. Thank you to those who have bought hats. Thank you to those who bought air fresh. Thank you who buys anything on our website. But it means a little bit more when you guys buy like Modded Motor specific stuff, because that means you're just like a pure fan of the channel. So we truly appreciate it. Somebody's already sent me a few pictures of their air freshener in the car, and it just looks kind of crazy. So truly appreciate anybody who shops at Modded Wear, but specifically those who buy Modded Motors, Modded Wear products. Appreciate you. Hopefully you guys find value out of these videos. You may not need them now, but eventually they come in handy. And we get messages from any time of the year, even for some of our old videos, of people that are still using them. Did you guys figure out how to do that? Just a little clip right there. Yeah, we get like questions years later about videos we thought were done and over with. Like, hey, I just watched this video
4 years ago.
I just saw your throttle control video. It's like our first video ever. You see this clip? I just do it with my hands. You don't need that. Grab this big one right here. Push down. I'm trying to give you a more in-depth, because some people say that I'm not the best at doing the whole in-depth thing. So
Haters.
haters, haterade, spin that haterade. These are T20s, and we are just going to we need to keep those. There we go. Drop it down. Ta-da! Ta-da! Literally just pops out, and there's just a little thing that's hanging there. Ta-da! Probably should have taken that down first, huh?
Hey man, you're gonna break our mirror.
Okay, we have spares.
That's not the point.
Alrighty.
Look how crazy that looks.
Forgot that this is all glued apart.
Oh my god. Okay. You finally got it out.
The way that we did it is we opened that back door and pushed it through, and then we kind of slid it out this way.
Mm-hmm.
People say you have to remove your door and the seat to do this, but I got mine out. It doesn't have any creases in it, so I don't know. Maybe you guys just know how to do it. Shouldn't be getting good at this with both hands.
You're actually pretty good.
Get a flat. In order to get this thing off, you gotta pop up the clips, pew, 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 pew. And I just popped it off. Seems like I'm taking an extra route, but you have to get these off in order to get this off. Super fun, guys, super fun. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. Uno. Put one right next to it. Thank God these are all the same size.
For real.
Now you gotta use your pry tools. Oh, I hate it. I don't know why you guys like to use this.
You just try to use it for the camera?
I sure did. Pop that out. Do what you guys want. This is my car.
This was hilarious.
That's too sweet. Another T30. Please don't lose this one.
This sucks.
Alright, really unfortunate. You have to move this up in order to get to the seat belts, in order to get this piece off. So, Krista helped me pull. All it is you just pull up on it. This is a T47. We're removing the seat belt right now. You can't really see it, but I'll show you once we have it out. Okay, see? T47, wow. And the seatbelt just comes up. And then, to get it off of this piece, you see how it has clips? Pop, pop. It's gonna pop through, and then you can finagle it through. You may be asking yourself, Ricksters, did you do all that just for this to be in black? Sure did. If you guys remember, I have a valved exhaust. I did this the lazy way last time. Now that I'm already here, we took a little detour and we're just gonna do this the right way, huh?
Wait, what's the right way?
You see how there's a split carpet right here? There we go. Funnel it through the carpet. Funnel it through the carpet. See, we did it the right way, guys. Never take shortcuts, guys. Do it the right way. I've had this for like however long.
It's been like that forever.
And then what we're gonna end up doing is I have a 12-volt splitter, and I am going. There's a dead plug. If you guys remember, there's a dead plug over there. I'm gonna grab that dead plug, plug a 12-volt, and then we're gonna have it wired in here.
Oh,
smart, huh? Just been lazy to take out the seat.
Yeah, we wouldn't have been able to do that unless you remove the seat.
I do like these super complex videos, and someone's like, your car's dirty. Thanks, dog. Forget everything I just showed you in the video. Hey, your car's dirty.
Yeah, you need to get it clean, man.
Thanks, dog. Doing my best here.
Okay.
If you guys remember, seatbelts are T47s, so that is what we are doing. T47s. And then what we're gonna do is just pry with my little eye. This piece you need to get out is this one right here. You gotta pull up on this. Be very careful, do not damage it. Very important. Then we're gonna take this bolt out. If you guys remember, same thing. Seatbelt, same thing. It's out. I'm gonna play the same game with this one. Pry up. One more pry. See how that's gonna drop out. And then you're gonna cipher all of these parts through the big hole. Just before we show you the final product, I want to remind you guys we have the cheapest 2020 plus shifters pre-programmed for all years, meaning this can work in your 2020 as well. Giulia's, Stelvio's, whichever one that you want. And, which is really cool, we have now non-perforated in stock. Those are very hard to find. Those will come at an upcharge. Our prices go up as Italy's prices go up. Sorry, you blame Italy, not me. Another reminder to the reminder, 3 Cross Garage here in DFW is the sponsor of today's video, but they also carry the wastegate arms in stock. So if you're in the area and you need to get this replaced and you do not want to do it yourself, 3 Cross Garage can go ahead and install this for you. They're actually picking this one up today because someone has to get it installed. 3 Cross Garage, thank you for supporting our channel and anyone else who supports our channel by just watching. We truly appreciate it. And on to the final result. Okay. This is the final I don't know if you guys can really tell. This is the final product. Everything is black. Car looks a lot better. All blacked out. There is some wrinkles in the headliner. That's just the way that we got it. We're probably going to go back and fix it. Sorry, that side looks tacky because it still has the gray. But everything is still pretty much here. Yeah. this is your final result. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully you guys like it. We stopped filming because we were in pure panic mode because we had to get everything put back in before it started raining. It just rained last night, so if it cuts to us uninstalling the headliner and then just here, and that's because we had no time to record and play games.
No,
but it is done. Hopefully it looks a lot better. Once that ghetto piece is fixed, we will look 10 times better.
Over here?
Yeah, thanks.
Just don't look at this.
But black definitely fits the car a lot more.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, well, we'll see you guys next week. Next week should be a very cool video, or the week after, I don't know. You guys will see it when you see it. See you guys later. Bye.